Goldman Sachs just warned 300 million white-collar jobs are at risk. Not tomorrow. By 2028. That's 4 years away. OpenAI's latest model handles 94% of accounting tasks solo. No human needed. Deloitte audited it 3 times. McKinsey revealed 44% of administrative work disappears within 36 months. Their data, their timeline, not speculation. Google just replaced 50,000 support staff with Gemini. Real layoffs, real date, real impact. IBM fired thousands last month. Their CEO admitted automation cuts payroll 40%. Your job title might vanish before your next promotion. Your salary could halve overnight. Your leverage just evaporated. Entire departments are consolidating into 3 people and 1 AI system. This isn't future talk. Hiring freezes are happening now. Companies are silent about it. Your boss already knows. Your industry is next. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI every day.